I create a new folder for my project. Inside this folder, I create a new folder called Footage Raw. This is where I keep all the footage from every memory card every day after the shoot, or in between the shoot if any of the memory card is full. I always use the format year, month and day for date because it automatically arranges a folder according to the date. I also keep the shoot day in the folder name. If the shoot is happening at multiple locations, I prefer to keep the location name in the folder name. I may also add the names of the key people in the folder name. If there were multiple cameras or sound recorders, I would keep a separate folder for each inside the date folder. If there were multiple memory cards used by the same camera or the recorder, I would create a new folder for each memory card. Usually, we assign a number to each memory card. It avoids any kind of confusion during the copying process. Different cameras use different folder structures. It's time consuming to go through each of these folders and to find the shot during the edit process. So my next step is organizing the footage. Inside my project folder, I create a new folder to organize my footage, and I make a copy of all the raw footage in this folder. This is usually done during a break or once the shoot is over. I move all the footage scattered in these folders into the root folder of the memory card or the camera. In most cameras, doing this is pretty safe. But in some cameras, if I change the default folder structure, it can disrupt the link between the audio and video. I would always refer to the camera booklet before doing this step to see if they have specified any particular workflow for media management. Usually, if I come across a new camera, I would do a test shoot and test the workflow on the footage. Thanks for a great question. If you have more questions, feel free to ask in the comment box, and I will get back to you soon. Until then, bye.